Hi guys, welcome to another video. I have had a parcel arrive today from Modelones. Look inside the box. This is so cool guys, there's some really cool things in here. So inside the box we've got this little, I don't actually know what it is, like I don't know, just a little card. I love you 3,000 times, I love 3,000 times. I love that embossed rose on there, that's pretty isn't it? With love, that's cute. And then inside the box we've got this gorgeous Modelones bag. Look at that, got all them goodies in there. Lots of goodies. This is a really exciting kit guys. So this is their 16-piece gel polish gel cube all-in-one starter kit. So let's have a look at the contents first, shall we? So we've got a pot of iridescent butterflies, they're pretty, I like them. We've got a little nail file. We've got a Modelones Polygel brush. We've got some jewel forms. They look quite a nice shape actually, I quite like the look of them. Ooh, these are pretty, look at these crystals. I like those, all different shapes. Let's have a little look at these quickly, shall we? Got all these little shapes, guys. And these are a really nice size as well. They're all really small. We've got horse eyes, we've got little hearts, we've got bigger hearts with a flicky flick bottom. Bows, teardrops. Oh, there's all sorts in there. Little stars. I really like them. All different shaped teardrops, and they're super shiny as well. I like them, they are cute. In fact, I've not got any crystals like that at all, and I like that they've got the clear back as well, so they're going to look different on different colour backgrounds. I like them, cute. We've got the Modelones base coat and top coat. On the back of the box you've got your ingredients, you've got your directions, storage, you've got Modelones contact details there as well, if anyone's interested in that. Let's have a look at these, shall we? They're in the glass bottles. You get 7ml in each. Again, you got your ingredients and storage and warning on the back. I love that they're in glass bottles as well. I do like my glass bottles. Ooh, we've got 2 Modelones gel polishes. Again, 7ml in glass bottles. We've got 0629 and 0555. And that is a black and a white. Oh, look at that packaging. So this is the Modelones Colour Cube Solid Cream Gel Polish. I love that. How pretty is that? Beautiful. Inside the box you've got user manual, Q&As, tips, warning, storage, contact details. These are some of the colour cubes, what they do. Some really pretty shades there, isn't there? I think as far as I'm aware, this is the one that comes in this kit, I think. I like the look of this one. This looks really unusual. I like that. Then we've got nail prep, gel application, gel removal. Just want to quickly look how long these take to cure. Base coat cure 30 to 60 seconds. The solid cream gel 30 to 60 seconds, and top coat 30 to 60 seconds, and that's in a LED lamp. Oh, look at this, how pretty is that? That is so cool. So then you open it up like this, and you lift that up like that. Oh, it is the bright ones as well, look at those. Oh, we're definitely going to be swatching these today, guys. In fact, I'm going to swatch everything today so we can take a look at all the colours. I love that. That is so pretty. And also inside the box, you get a brush as well. So you pull that out there, stick that on the end there, and then when you finish using it, you've also got a lid, which is really handy. I do like to have a lid on my brushes. Then we've got a little bottle of slip solution, so you know what that means, don't you guys? That means we have also got a couple of Modelones Polygels. So we've got 013, which is clear, and 023, which looks like a pink. And then lastly, we have got the Meow mini lamp. Do you know how long I've been wanting one of these mini lamps for, guys? I'll tell you a little story. So twice now I have ordered a mini lamp like this off AliExpress. The first one never showed up, so I got a refund. The second one turned up, and when I opened it, it was a vest top. A vest top, like not even nail related. Tried to put a dispute in, and they declined it. I never did get my money back for it either, and the store disappeared. I was so mad. It wasn't even about the money, it was only a couple of quid. It wasn't even about the money, it was just the principle. I was so mad. So I finally got myself a little mini lamp. Cool, let's have a look. See how it works, shall we? Do you know what I think this lamp is going to be really good for, and the main reason I want one is for when I'm doing the lazy girl method. This is just going to be so handy because my big lamp, I can't get both hands in, and obviously when you're doing the lazy girl method, you need to hold the tip in the lamp, and I can't get both hands in my big lamp. So at least with this one, I can hold it, put it in, done. Zapped it, cured it. Perfect. So let's have a quick look at this lamp. Inside the box, you've got your cable, which goes into a USB plug, and then this end goes into the lamp, like that. It's got quite a long cable as well, guys. In fact, it's got a really nice long cable. Look at all that. Perfect. So, to work the lamp, you've got your on button here. Pop your finger on it, and that is a 60-second cure. Press it again to turn it off. If you want a 90 seconds, keep your finger on it for about 1.5 seconds, it says. I guess till the lamp comes on, like that. And that is a 90-second cure. Again, to turn it off, just press the button again. So that's how that works, nice and easy. So today, I'm going to give everything a swatch. We're going to take a look at all the colours. And then in the next few days, I'm going to do a few designs using some of the products, which I'm really excited about. I love this bag, what comes with it as well. How pretty is that? So, let's get some of these bits out of the way, and we shall get swatching. We'll start off by swatching the gel polishes first. So this one is 0555, which is the white. Ooh, this looks like a really nice, bright, opaque white. I like it. I do like Modelones gel polishes. They apply so nice. Look at that. One coat. Full coverage. Lovely. Really, really happy with that. Then we've got 0629, which is the black. Black you have to be a bit more careful with, because if it's too pigmented, the light won't be able to penetrate through it in the lamp, and it will just wrinkle. So with black, you really need to do two nice thin coats. I tell you what, for the first coat, that's not bad at all. Really impressed with that. Look at that. Not that you're really going to be able to see it on my glove on, but look at that for one coat. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp. And with black, guys, I do like to give it a double cure just to make sure it does cure properly. And then I shall give that a second coat off camera. Yeah, that is black as black can get. Look at that. Super, super coverage. Give that a cure. Now let's have a look at these colour cube colours, shall we? I'm really excited to try these. So I'm going to use the Modelones brush. Pretty, I like that. Right, you don't need a lot of this at all, guys. This solid cream gel goes a really long way. So I'm just going to show you me swatching this one colour, guys, and then the rest of the colours I'll show you the swatches, because this video is already getting way too long. It's a really pretty colour, I like that. Pretty, I like it. Give that a cure for 30 seconds. That's a nice colour, I like that. I can see me using these a lot over summer. Look at that one, so pretty. Yeah, I like that. It's definitely got more of a green hint to it than the other one. But I will show you them side by side at the end, guys, anyway. Super bright yellow. These are going to be great for spring and summer, aren't they? I like them. Wow, that is a proper neon-y kind of green. That's probably actually one of my favourites as well out of this cube. I like it. Look how bright that is. Proper neon pink. Love it. Again, really pretty bright orange. That's a really nice bright red, isn't it? Like a bright pillar box red. And that's the last one, guys. See, I don't want to open this new base coat and top coat, guys, because I've already got a Modelones base coat and top coat open. So I don't want to open it until these run out. But I'll show you what they're like anyway. The base coat is a really nice thin consistency. Not watery thin, but it is on the thinner side, which is nice because it doesn't bulk your nails out. And again, the top coat as well is thicker than the base coat, but it's still quite a nice thinnish consistency. I'd say a medium consistency. But when I'm doing swatches and I don't have a top coat of the brand what I'm swatching, I always reach for my Modelones top coat, always, because I find it really nice to apply, and I find it quicker to apply than like the thicker ones. So should we have a quick look at the swatches then, and then we'll quickly swatch the polygels, and then that'll be everything, guys. So like I say, I've already given these a top coat. Look how shiny that top coat is as well. So that's the black and the white gel polish. Really nice pigmented colours. Really happy with those. And then these are the Colour Cube solid gels. How pretty are those colours? I can see spring, I can see summer designs. I can see me using these a lot in the coming weeks. There's some gorgeous colours there, isn't there? Again, look how shiny that top coat is, guys. Let me know in the comments which your favourite is, guys. I think I'm going to go for this one. I quite like this neon green as well. But the pink, oh, I don't know. They're all really pretty. I like all of them. So I'm definitely going to be doing a design with them in one of my next few videos. So keep your eyes peeled for that. So now, lastly, we're going to check out these polygels. So the first one is going to be 013, which is the clear. You wait until you see this clear, guys. This clear is one of the clearest clears you can get. So I'm going to give that a cure for 60 seconds. And then lastly, we're going to look at this gorgeous pink looking colour, 023. I do really like Modelones polygels. They're really nice to use. They're not sticky. I'd say they are slightly on the softer side. Even though they're on the softer side, they're just not sticky whatsoever. Right, just going to give that one a cure. There we are, guys. That is the 2 Polygel colours. I love that pink colour. It's a really nice pink. I like that. Wait until you see this clear, guys. Look how clear that is. Super, super clear. Crystal clear, isn't it? So there we are, guys. That is everything in this gorgeous Modelones all-in-one starter kit. What do you think to it all? I'm well impressed with it. I just think it's a really fun starter kit. You get so much stuff. You've got the gel polishes, you've got polygels, you've got the colour cube, all these beautiful colours. You've got everything that you need to do a gel mani. Everything. I love my new lamp. I really thought I was destined not to end up with one of those lamps, but I finally got one. Well happy with that. But don't you think it's just a really cool kit? It'd be great for a present for somebody. It's great to treat yourself to. I like it. I love kits like this where you get a little bit of everything. I find them really fun. And the products are really good quality as well. The gel polishes, super opaque. The colour cube, super opaque. It's all really good quality stuff as well. Some of these kits that you buy, you just get sent a load of tap. But with this, you're getting good quality Modelones products. And it's not a bad price either. The price is really reasonable for what you get inside. I mean, I like using Modelones products anyway. I really enjoy their polygel. I really enjoy their gel polishes. So for me, it's a really great little kit. I'll leave the link to this kit, guys, pinned in my comments. I'll also leave the link to Modelones website down there as well. If anyone wants to head over and have a look on the website, you can do. Also got a 10% off discount code for Modelones. At the checkout where it says discount code, if you put in there Gina10, that will take 10% off your whole order. So that's definitely worth taking advantage of. I want to say a huge thank you to Modelones for sending us this out to have a look at. Thank you so much, Modelones. I can't wait to do a few designs using some of the products. I've got quite a few ideas in mind already. I'm dying to see what these crystals look like on a nail as well. I think they're going to be really, really pretty. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.